Hey guys, Billy and Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. So today, quick one, very quick one in fact. I am going out to a christening this afternoon, so I thought I'd just quickly show you what I'm up to. Got a friend's car here that I've been doing a little bit of work to. Nothing too major, but just a bit of TLC. So one thing that he did say was the paintwork is pretty poor, but I'm just trying to bring it back to life, so let me show you what I'm up to. So this is the Mini. It's a D-Reg Cooper replica, and it's a nice little car. But one thing he did say was the paint finish on the bonnet and the wings and stuff, because it's quite hazy, it's faded a little bit. It's not the nicest or cleanest of paint finishes. So what I've done this side of the bonnet now. I've done a compound, a polish. I've just polished it now, and a quick buff up. You can see hopefully the difference between the haziness when you come across and the perfect sort of thing. There are a few blemishes in the paint anyway, but I'll try to do the best with what I've got. So I've done from the middle of the bonnet line across. If you look here, you can automatically see the difference. In person, it's a lot more clearer than on the phone, I think, but yeah, really happy with the results so far. So I say, see me very clearly. So definitely pays to do this stuff. So what I've used a Ferecla G3 regular grade compound paste, because it wasn't really cutting it what I had. I went on to the Meguiars Ultimate Compound. I dropped the bottle so I had to repair it. And then I went on to a Meguiars Ultimate Polish. And then the final stage will be this liquid wax. So once the whole car's done, I'll go into that. But yeah, very happy so far. Just got to get the rest of the car. I'm going to do this side next. Just wanted to show you a bit of a before and after. And hopefully the car will be out on the road very soon and enjoying the sun and beading lovely with the raindrops. So as I said, a really short one today. Nothing too mad. Temperature out here is pretty warm today, hence the overalls and no no clothing underneath. Last week it was snowing. This week it's nice and warm, so making the most of the time I've got. So thank you so much for watching, and a massive thank you for everyone that subscribed to the channel. I am nearly at 4,000 subscribers. And thank you again to everyone for subscribing to my works channel. We've just passed 500 subscribers, so long may that continue, and let's keep the growth going for both channels. So I'll leave the links here and here for both channels. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.